This is Heat 5 of event 206, Women Lane 0, Tarot Aliana of Sharpedo Swing Team. Lane number 1, De Los Reyes Isabella of Swing Solo Club. Lane number 2, Livio Adrian Joy of Perpetual Sports Academy. Lane number 3, Coliat Lawrence of C-Star Swimming Club. Lane number 4, at Bukol Micaela of Excel Swimming Club. Lane number 5, Apostol Alfe of Excel Swimming Club. Lane number 6, Bagsit Maria of C-Star Swimming Club. Lane number 7, Tanyala May of Sharpedo Swim Team. Lane number 8, Tolentino Rafaela of Swim Solo Club. And lane number 9, Rivera Martina of Squalos Aquatic Swim Team.